Hello, fellow crafters. This is Mary Jo Snyder. Welcome to my Let's Caffeinate and Create YouTube channel. I just wanted to share some alternate paper pumpkin projects that I've been working on from the Daydream March 2025 paper pumpkin kit. This was one layout. I did case this layout from a Paula Cooper. I found this similar design on Pinterest, and I really fell in love with the layout, and I thought, having the supplies I had left from using my paper pumpkin kit, that this would be awesome for a BFF page. Get it? BFF. And this is, I'll zoom in a little closer for you to see, bring this up to you. This has got a little tag in here, and actually it's part of one of the card bases, and I decided to just use that as a photo mat or a journaling card, and then a photo can go here, and these are loosely, they're not attached, so I can slide a photo right under there that is less than 4x3, so I would have to trim the photo down. But I thought this was a perfect addition to the Daisy set, the Daisy Daydream March Paper Pumpkin Kit 2025. I just absolutely loved it, and I loved doing a scrapbook page with the little bits that I had left. This is one card base that is cut down to make those banners. Fell in love with it, and then of course the envelopes and whatnot were also part of this design and some of the die cut images. Love it. And I got the little squiggly B, leaving the letter B for best friends forever. So there is that alternate, and I had so much fun with that. And you can find so much inspiration from other crafters that are on Pinterest and other places. You may remember this design that I created in a video and shared a reel, so I'm not going to spend too much time on that, but I did 2 of those cards with some of the elements and additional product that I have on hand. I also did this cute little happy birthday. It has got a little tuck kind of spot. I did all this stamping all together, and then I cut it apart and put it on a base to go into this little pocket from an envelope. And on the back side of this is actually where you can write your greeting, and it's got pieces cut from the envelopes and or paper. I think it was from envelopes. So that is super cute alternate as well, with little elements and showing you how to use the stamp sets that are in that paper pumpkin kit after you're all said and done with all the goodies inside. I have another project that I created. I've never done a floating window kind of thing. I'm not sure what it's called. And this is another inspiration off of Pinterest by Linda McKay. And I cased her design just using different things here within the kit, as well as other elements from my own stash. Thought it was really cool to add that really awesome gold flecked paper underneath, the gold vellum, to kind of be that point of that, whatever you call that. I don't even know, floating window, not sure, but I love it. And then I just used part of the card base for the inside that had the yellow flecks of crushed curry in there. So just little pieces I had left from envelopes and such, and I just wanted to use it all. That green circle that came in the bokeh circle that came in the kit was used, and I just kind of mixed and matched different elements that I have in my stash. Another project I created is this card, and I love this, and I actually cased the design from Rachel Tessman, and I'm not sure where she was inspired from, but I saw her video and I loved it, and I thought it was awesome. I took part of the card base that had the flecks of the crushed curry in the background and parts of envelopes and card bases, used the layered or the bow punch to create the additional coordinating things on this card. Popped it open, and I have one of those awesome bookmarks. So love that. I don't know if it was Melissa, I can't remember her last name, but either way. And then I used part of a card base that was left to put that little border there. So I thought that was super cute. Thank you for always being there for me. And you can give that little bookmark to someone. I loved making the alternate projects. I have another one. It is created as the kit instructs, but I don't want to share that because I put a different sentiment on it, and it's actually for someone special that I'm gifting to them this week. So I don't want to give any sneak peeks. So this is another one. I took this last blue card base, the color that is, I think it's supposed to be Lost Lagoon, but I think it's different to me. I scraped the edges to make it look vintage, curled this side. I took whatever circle was left in that one piece that had the circle that could pop out of the center, and stamped even one of the tags. I even roughed that up some, and to give it a kind of more country vibe, vintage look, and even took some retired ribbon. Sorry, I'm still in that mode. I took some ribbon from my stash and kind of frayed the ends. I thought it paired nicely with this to keep that country vibe going. And on the inside, there's nothing. It's just that blue card base, and I took the envelope and cut it apart. Any scraps that were left when I was done doing my alternate projects, there wasn't even enough to create another project, and that made me so super excited. So the little bits went in the garbage, and I finished my entire kit using, as a kit instruct, I made like 5 cards, just alternating the sentiments, and then I created all these other projects. So I hope that you find all of these projects inspiring. I am going to share them on Rachel Tessman's Paper Pumpkin Fan Club, because I want to start sharing all my creativity with people again on Facebook, just with photographs of my stuff. But I really am in love with the scrapbook page. So thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to help me out. Hit that like button and leave a comment. I'm so excited to have you here. Welcome to anyone that's new, and to all my returning viewers. Many Stampin' Blessings. I'll see you again really soon. Bye for now.